How to add LastPass extension to Chrome. So currently I am on my Google Chrome right here. And to add your LastPass extension, just simply search for Chrome Web Store. So just like this, then click on the first link that pops up. Then it will bring you right here on the Chrome Web Store. Then what you want to do now is just search for LastPass here on the search bar at the top. Then click on whatever comes up. So it should be LastPass Free Password Manager. Then the next thing that you want to do is to click on the Add to Chrome option right there. Then click on Add Extension to confirm and wait for it to load, and it will install within your browser just like so. As you can see, one download in progress, and that should do the trick, and it will redirect you here on your LastPass vault. And for that, you will need to log in with your account. So if you don't have an account yet, just simply click on create an account right here. But if you do have an account already, just simply log in to see all of your passwords, and you could now start using LastPass. And that is how you basically add LastPass extension to Google Chrome.